But wetin Epa dey talk na trigger me. Epa wey destiny who it could be wey destiny wani. Okpe na ri hu say hwene or biani hwe 100 ya biena. Egbe destiny radio agwa lo to a change by fire by force. Osa egun megbe tegbe destiny radio. A destiny dano. It's a frustrated destiny. I cannot wish that for my enemy as well. Okay, because by the time men are done doing this that they are doing, they turn the table and start preaching what I don't understand. Cannot exist, it cannot exist. What they will not accept, they will be preaching it. Right? So, when I forgive. When I red-handed me, why confirm where yes, a matter no maybe he love ye la ojenoki. Would you call that mistake? No. Will you say the woman forced herself to you? No. Who was settled down where unawe amugo young avec beso egbe or doiso. Now God now go forgive some of them. Avec Benny alone. May I forgive or do? Ijo dona e de available to any we ekeni mudia ga mudia yo because ya setting your doni they will send my enemy go where I don't know. You understand? We no more do muya ya nilele ya pay dari ni. And una say nene yo carry nene yaru don ega ya yo your car abega ya yo carry on. Hell no. So sometimes imani don't walk on your car video. You let me be. You have decided video. You let me be. Don't preach anything for me. It's not acceptable because I why. Destiny of your where you are, yeah, boy. That it could be where a destiny or who have you where you or have you where you are. Which man will wish that destiny for themselves? No. But when it comes for women, we'll tell them, you don't know. You don't know. Oh, why you didn't do a bill you will be able to told him my husband. He done it. Okay? So I really do not accept that. Another thing. No wait abani I will clear before I mute or where aba lagbo de epa na husband wey do for early age do ati alagbo de wo keke ben on abiele yo na odo lagbo de wo women wo keke e work something isan ohia uwa onuga lagbo de you lay the foundation from the beginning. When old age are coming, when the kids are no longer there, it's you and I. We enjoy our life at our old age. Because we worked for it. We worked for it. And at the end of the day, if we take care now, it's not about it. If you were to come and you and lack bode, we shall lack bode with that one. Epa, I may now this is too much. It gets so right.
My sister, sorry, sister like we will say.
Wamuyane, here come there, apologize. The problem here. If I go around the where we say that the now we pointed because my where we have a reason a destiny ma would be a video. So even I have a family need. A family or need. None of them like this woman. They say love ya. One single love you rose ever who not zio. Bet you rose ever who not zio. Nothing. Iya wali eke na wa lebien dia na wa mohoni eke no ba
time where his sister give no tiba bo
yes no one no where o tell me here ti de ba wa na e woman na mama me no e wu ma
na wa there guest
wife Nobody defended her. Everybody now around were cool. And I am go your only now to say, oh, 100% she's part of the house. Boy go get one. A product type at the end of the day, especially not what they buy or the hour by hour. You can say, you live a best life for her. Say, sister that for her. At the end of the day, while we're destiny or hell no. I mute my mic while we're saying.
Sorry, before I trip in, you get mama. Yeah, before I trip out now, please. Mommy, over time, I want to my sister, you are very correct. You are right. I must tell you the gospel truth here. I have to be sincere with you. Imaka weto weto ya marry wodo. Me weto bie omweko no ko bie ona do bio ka do bio giver.
Let's assume that now.
Yes. Even without
Osamuyi. Baba imadowa we mana. We me no ya defend boy here.
I take defend. I'm not saying defend. Even if as that, my brother, even sorry, like me, Baba like me. Even if as that, any right,
Baba Mudia Baba.
Okay.
Ana agbana jina agbama jina ni tebu. Mana ragbane oke kini ma kemita. Wa hie agbani ne uhe a topic inoroto inotanoroto ni amure na do miere adaslo nwe ruduwe menawe kabo hioduku ruda ayu me pe ya wa na ime no wasi okoyo ri bieso bo iya na wa fawa o na fawa o we wa me okena kegbu anu wo we dagbon okwo no wa afwekoa we no bia go moko ni mudia wu we mo o ma gege bu wa de wa wi we mewe umiewo adeso na rie ze ba me wo wa di ye ba me ai do miewe aso wa na ye gbeku okekere umani nyahu udaye we gwasele wa mami leone okuoni we no bia we la dawazagba we do tawe okuoni amami leome wonu we na mami leone okuoni uge ni buno de dekere okuo okokigo ya zebe ohagbon ton ame ne kwegere omugo yo bia hu ona ka mi je no bia na woni je no bia nula ho ne do megigi yen ari mu yi hu ne papali go kere ri ba wo sie ipieso wa fa wa ogbe bieso iyari obalogi kwo no gele wa mudia wo wa egun oye o abie amoyetila o wa ko wo gekian we ruda egun wuri e wa ne uye ki takun o kano ka ugbono yo kikiri wa we emi ya ni ta me no ko ni yan sami ni ka ni ta me ya gele wa o wa reji na gbepo na ari wa na ye be ari ko we na ya moko nya kosi be nuri e wa we bo oma me mi pa no we oma si we lo pe mi la ma si we lo pe sin imae o si e na ye ta be pota me oku oko ma bia o ma se oku ori fure nuda ogwa na nyenye yiwaje obia oku na dekwegbe ona kenyenye o ma se oku ni waje gbe ugi no tanare ma na dogwegbe
Edit Ugbo, thank you.
obia ori oku yo wane obienene mo ye pitan we oge eke enikao ize me ya boye ta me nikao eke na yo ko ve yimi wani ave yo obiari bi aru lame ude ya ma we se begene de ayo bia ba awu lame ruda obiare mwenya me gyoku no de wade guani.
That's true.
Ayo yo ba ya asie miamere
It's Tubo TV, Kaji.
egbe wi ona o se no biara gi to.
Thank you, Mama.
O biara gi to be dagbono gi je na. Ruda wera na weno biari na uroto uruhun odaze o kion dazo no dazo wa. O yare ko ve Nigeria we urema na urema urioko yo wane no wa gbe manu e no wa kiro no wa ri san we mo bo san gbogoru de mo bo no ya kinyu na de o we na me na yin bo kian o udo tuta ipekun o wa ba yo epo o je beta me no ko we iri owa ya mi bi bi me wa so do yin we no ko ni ogi ho we ge kinu ya do we ja no ma ke awe weda we no bia na weda tungwe no ko wa ya bohen yo he uwi ya bohen we no bia ni no we gbe yo di we ya bohen yo he we afilebe otungwe no ko ko awe buge onere nu we na wo ge bie otungwe yi robot
Just 1 second. I mean, Salisa, now, just 1 second. Now, we go to the number. Salisa, now, a moderator in Mujo, he had the game near Mola, la educating now. Just 1 minute now. Salisa.
You told that game no he.
I don't know to Hamula do.
Maybe we activate a guest in it. We are checking na ekenana moderator yo. I green arrow ni one make sure everything is on. So they can access.
Can I moderator me and
one moderator yo okay confirm me. I'm a button ni moderator can do this moderator who click here let all of them be green.
Okay, that's okay. All of them be green till down. Till down,
yeah, down. What screw it down till the end.
Okay. Me West Region okay. West. Well, now I agree. Because yeah, mama, you're working in the car. Tia, but tia, my tia, we're working there. Well, I agree. Power P. Continue. West Region, you and West Region.
No,
okay. Continue. Power P. Now I agree, Baba.
Why I will see. Rin aya pe go na do mi ogwe tari si e tan hian. O. Ona obijime. Me ihe ikwe. No vijime. No gbo biare oni. Me biari wime ona we gbe oni da vijime veni me mana we da okwo we idio vijime hin warire ika me ya gwale iwe rude igba okwo omodo no gwedia okwo omodo oka ona fieja odere okwo gele omodere ruda manipia ojigo ya mo okwere ona yewa ado miegwe uwe bani ezedari o biari jigo mwene o jigo mokuna eye ruda ye dege gi iwuye o simyokoni yewe yon koda o biyan kun se bokoni o jigo mwe lawane igoni no ya mokoni na ruda okoni maje ekewa talele yon idokambo koni we kenu ya la gyo wa me de nu fiagbo Oma mi no keke no bia tamoku ruda ikpe so waro no wa sote no dagbe obevi bi gweno mo konya kosina na demi no paru we ifia gbo unu ego ja wina unu awasu wina wina nuna zero ewe uzero ewe bo oye bi azero Nigeria Evado kwoni na dare una data mo kwoni bo kwoni eme yo pa na fiagboa venuna ewe adori awasi yun singinu gwere adono kwoni o no wina okie etuku yu wo wa ezo bozo we oki okuro gbe manu bia we no gbe mana we yari ugbepo uri Nigeria uja mo konya kosiwe ya uja fi yoko we opono e ko hian se bare rion e dagbon e kweri ni o wiere ni wota ruda eri agbata o se lokuna ta mo bia we aderi ma ewe gba boye na di ma ewe gbata bi ma miegbe e bono we no so e ro ba gbona o se na mi bieso iya iri e ba omo ya kefiawo o se na kari no tani la de na bowo a keke ni nwa e ki ase base zinota ni nwa bo yo bia lulame be na yo ko lulame luda o kwegito o biagito egbe be na no yi kwa sunu na gweri o kwo me yo kwa we loko uwe omodo me agwa mi negbe na wegbe o keke ire ada mi ku anyo wegbu wa emi no gba ni hin e dagbon mo sili mani biawo bia ma wa awo bia ma wa o bia ma wa o bia ke no bia na wa ma wa bun o wa bun we ya amwe miame udoga ne dogbonuje egbewe venuna mewe no bia me inue wo wa obi bia ko bi kpogia uma me miame u ya jo erere udo mo kan se ni geko ni no ro wa de we no da sin we nu e ko na ye bo gwavio o ko ni mae o ko ni mi bo ya zo we wa da do mi ego bia na ma wa
Opi now. They are vast we given we are no go now because we were
avesi ni wari no ko ni rudo bia ni sekpene wo no ko ni no pa yin wari na gigi gba o bia ni
o me ano ike ya be we
agbora ni mayi waje na wo o ma je eyin mi mo bi roma edogbonoje mo awe rosa o ko ni wo na wo bia ni wo gbe ni ko ni wo gba ari wa no we gbe miese o se na ke mi we roma mi o paso bia e roma mi paso o ko ai ba dagbon na ke mi o ko ni igo no le no ko ni o igo mo ko ni o se no ko ni na abie omo iwe meje wa omo iwe ni o ko ni dia we no rudo mo no wa tata ye ba ni e lo ko bia ni egbo bia ni aye o ko ni o se o si ru gbara mu egwe o ko ni adogwe egwe opa egbe no ko no bia na wu na bo se amana igbe egwejo
baba
na mana gbe egwejo we no bia ni o ko ni wa sai baba be ne ge ka o
we say baba we say
baba I like he did no drop in there yeah he told me drop there like with my brother always
why would that power that
ina yonata ba ina kata ina we odoma unyime no magba no unyima tosi no obalo bet ina we ikini gbagboji o se ti gbe mi noro iko adun eme ni kai ina body ya ye me ni ka we yogi adin ga ti baja adin ti baja no wogi adin uye we mo adin magi we mo upin gi no yan irupe ko ni
okay daddy just a second daddy just a second
yes,
where adin ho de baya e no stop ba egbe baba small mama I dey come ya get pick up hana so ma
okay
wa fa yaro wala I pray there ni
la wa mute me okay padere ona
mommy let me continue let me answer
Pastor Mute me so that let me okay
no we
but me follow up
no so baba me
I went to office
so now go Kalisa abeg go take off the house at the corner now one people okay that will be going no baba you can never come out at the come abeg
So, in that type of way, in a way, igwe umami the most important thing. We yeah, okay, I can do ye dear vaja, you can do that day. We understand it now. So, meru pe kodi no ha my way no babare. But ibude ni we invenia di ne. Iga do boy ye giodena mai. Zingbe. Ruda we edo ya bitan we igmesoro. Even nothing matter OP. Mr. OP, you have said it right. But uwe go bonokba. Igmesoro. Umami ni meka gwa kabaina we imae wom oyamwe marriage. Mete we towa ya bie. Ogi ya bie o oma bie wa revenika ya soe. In a way as far what you cow a mistake in it. It can happen to anybody. Or me this one that come anybody at all. But umami giver even I anything. As far as what you the one on me or ye man where or marry me. Otimano kuna omagiwe moko noro wa omagiwe mo ah togi we me no da mie na do da we back yana da mie ozoma na kagu na ikaguro egizoma evi no busi every only way aweme osievi no bun and even he live me na he contribute kere rule yuwe manane otimano ko lao jere ko wegi adeke nu enwe wo gbibata eyime Mr. OP otima papa UK imana lao uga enwe eva agwe uga enwe dia we ukiami ogogoba odion wegi reba ruda we kino okwe akino awo oje evano mauda ekini mari na oreje evana wo eje evani koreje adunwe we ko we girema you are free to go but to me kaboge ko wege gelele menimeta gelele menimata ge ko wege yo ko we ya ilodeni but mami ene ti o na ya wetin awe marriage eti o dey aware oni ana enwe ore owo me momo boya tamo bitamama when a marriage alerun na ya so bobe oroge ovyogwe atemi o no mate wo ovyogwe deji beto ga ibugbe akabo na lerun omo na nwa pada sebe gbe akabo re etimani ko wakabo bia soge o sena akabo bugbe gbopia ona kabo adweke I love you kabo re igo kere na ona vela ekeno akeno je ogboye revise oni opia but ya by iwo or phone nike out of 100 80 emawo 80 amigo ya we ni so ni amaika wo understand eri obeje gbe maniko e manipia egbo wa niko eri obeje lao emi ni oni iri eka emena otimanoko yobo we koi uga he we bani agwedia donti aba uga he we gwedia zowe no kia won waya wese
Come on, Miss Papa, please let me go get before Pasamuyi keep back. Yeah. Pasamuyi la wo you are keeping steady messing. Get a now no zedo or you are keeping steady messing. Get a normally me KZ the video a broken English mirage get a pretty man. We take Papa when the honey go hoege. Dito meti divaya ne damin weta ne damin meta or rano avita oma mwezori oma do tabo ya e pagi mi no wume nye mi ni awo na buere ya ave diensu I mean, so let me go with pidgin English. Some senior bra and some senior sisters, they effort for some kind area. Small picking or anybody can't give you matter. Tell you say, see what they worry me, oh, see what they worry me. They'll come tell you say, follow your mind, oh. Now my own advice be this. You don't advise the person, you don't actually like the person. Because if you like this person, actually, you go tell and say, see what you go do because they can't give me matter. So by all pleasure and all appreciation, and I will tell you what you will do since you are confused. That's why you came to me. So this antenna, if it's real or not, say maybe not really happen. For other people, we say the matter they happen for, we be say they back, whether they year for if happen for anywhere. That thing so the woman should live. He go live and she will live. Since she don't know what she want to do, why she will live because this man has disrespected you. This man does not love you. This man is trying to waste expenses. This man, because like I said before, ewe bonaye, unuwa pay, unuwa mie, degena ya migo na de ya mini ngwina na edi ngwina na beju ekun ya gwowa. Okay, ono na mu pa mu pa ye dian mu pa ye sabogida mu pa ye Dubai mu pa ye evona. No he agbelege the family kwa. Esunu do temeni kiri no dra do we no. O wa no mana pa bori meto bi me ya mu meto gadure ya si we pa bori sisu wu we nwa. Ono na we bolofo. Oven here we tala wala wogo. Egbeso, the way some families are really acting is really not fair to some partners, to some husband or to some wife. It's so more says the other adafe only the no biana weziba la no kuna ziba. I met it go no bia gwaruda or we kere meeting no ne the family. Why me agwe inya evana Bible we tell you and Bible nya where what God are joined together. Let no man put asunder. Umyo tu no dion or umyo tu ne kere biano. Unwe wo kunori mi gwa oku no gele sopo no oya eri disrespect the get the family or 20 win ari kuobe ra umyo or 20 mi kuobe o be the family not about time we opia or teme wa una mama what do baba sunu we hear wa change position immediately me ana there you no get to the woman sister me o ge what sunu egbe so iyan ewe iyan de bale no pia iyan pobo yo iyan we no continue ma video egbe so we ni ave fiwerie obe igi ni ave taiga ni ave de bai we ikwe so we ge mabata sin ko so awe ni makarion roda we matemi no concern ma support ikwo ya gbe la dian kere wala le memo. Please don't be offended, please, if I have to say this. Some women are too nonchalant. What I mean be say some women they go out their house like log of wood. As in, this marriage not be for child's play. Your husband visiting Nigeria regularly, you don't have anything to think about. Is that how you feel? Your husband, they visit Nigeria, where you know the circumstances of Nigeria women and their idea of men will come for abroad. What is your husband doing in Nigeria frequently? How? I see some women will be say that they have never visited Nigeria once, but their husband is frequenting Marital Mohammed Airport every year. You are not concerned about it. Let me tell you, sister, if your husband is doing such thing, please, you see what happen to that woman just now. Be expecting your own. It is easy. Now waiting no go happen. That's because a rabbit say daydream. You go meet my mother and say, mommy, I daydream. They take my belly push off for inside. Now my mother and say, come my pikin. Not waiting no go happen. Now time you go really take. If your husband is frequenting outside where you live, outside the country, either the person in Nigeria, but they frequently they go abroad, or they abroad, they frequently they go Nigeria. Anywhere they, the woman should be watchful. You should be very careful. You should look. Imagine when you are such a phone, may you go to think what you go make you cry. No, don't do that. But before your husband they travel, come on. Why are you traveling? Are you must you be the laborer? Must you be on ground to inspect them build from foundation to the finish? No. Are you getting it? You should be very watchful. The women, some women go out the house. They are very comfortable. Like my husband, you last month, or the year next 2 months, or the year 4 months later, or the year next year. my sister, I'm telling you the truth. Any man they go ask like this, Mama, if you hear me, your husband and time he will take you. Yes, they'll go for you for outside. Not true be that. You guys should be match your guard. Women should match their guard. Not be saying you're going to fear the men anyhow to travel. Okay, then they travel? Where's your where? Where women know they go travel? You know, we leave picking for us. Maybe the man see take 1 week holiday for work or 2 weeks holiday for work. Maybe you see go visit Nigeria. No, they want the man to have everything just to borrow for their fellow mates. Are you getting it? Now, what I want to talk about, made the women see, made them match their guard. I beg. Time don't pass. We say, we all leave men. They do it they want. All the name of say tradition and everything. Now, what I want to talk with that. Now, see, made the men, made the women, made the quiet. Made the quiet down.
My brother, I love you all. I love you all. My sister, may God strengthen you. May God guide you. May God guide you all.
Amen. Thank you.
I will still come up to be joining you guys time to time. Don't worry.
Thank you. We like you. We like you.
Yeah, I really like you.
UK, God bless you.
No.
God
bless you.
Yeah, it's to educate each other. It's good,
UK now a mama no nya platform everyone. It's we no born in UK. UK, you have spoken
exactly.
For the women aspect, you have spoken well. There's nothing to fight you here because you nothing. All you said is fact. Equal so exhibit yahu. Our total. Nenemi Jerry pastor. Ege so concentrate ye o dafia. Ye wadi remote Netflix. Ye wa mo daine. Ofo. Oh ni I'll go Nigeria next tomorrow. Okay. No, like no quit tell me. Oh, I get waiting. Oh, yeah, obviously, ran video with you. Where they not, you won't ask question. We quit Nigeria ya day because it be a frequent with Nigeria ne. Unwe woman mi do to doni. Emi sunu, but they will choose to lock up. They will choose to play a good wife. But where you are, the other woman not smart, no follow up. Our man because she follow, because she wants to know what her husband does. She wants to know everything. That is marriage. That is marriage. I'm supposed to know your every step of you as my husband. There's a man here we are be hotel. We cannot yakmeza hotel you ba. Imagine where okbiani auto him I am your tell me no sunu dakbiani. But because he was so open, or say hotel na we to highway, he say man neo egbe we ya when he tomorrow morning or exam ni ayagbe or hana okay. If you can see call back, come out your mahwe, you know. As the woman waits, or we might TV he was putting call through. Or what that for mamu, she gonna say, okay, maybe over here ne. Where and I away. The next morning, on a tie or mamu, you got to call somebody in the town where ya check a hotel and nano 20 or say I will my video only marry. I know my husband called me when he was in that hotel last night. And I see the school, ya will marry exam hall. It follow up. And I bankana print and do me where or transfer you go a hotel ni no ya pay you hotel ni and I do follow up. If I know marry knock by way or what drop at 1 hour ba at the end of the day I get footage no re a hotel ni or no nya hotel bo be or ye man ali pepper soup. Udege so you can imagine where or my day honest when I was say man. I'm a man of the house. When I was a corona, I don't hear. Okay, Oni, or my send the name of the hotel, or my hammer anything, or my TA. Oh, hey, Areva. Or is it also agree? My husband went to tell me, he's no longer picking my call. It seems like it's another woman. It is also do ya conclude because I'm making no do a munda. I can do it. It ain't ne remake be hotel do or we right Lagos at the end of tell highway or the phone will tell that one lied. So there is a big difference. A justice na only mammy because of our hand we come even your all let me woo. Because he told me he's in Lagos. How come he's in this hotel in Benin and my boy Jema? That means you can wear or one way so at the end of the day, a river. So some men needs to be washed. You understand? If we buwa tota, we are follow up our na man what do na buy man na boy. I'm not listen. I have a family. I know family is part of the marriage, but somehow, no man need to man. You be, I'll kick you out of my life. E di man we run dai maguji egwa magweri egwa magoti egwa eti oni man need enjoy me, ni man need rest of mind me. Run doni ya quit marry. Bye. Take a leave. This is too much. Agboye wa tota okay. Awa mwekbo. Igo na ade ticket help you gwigo. We are asok ma we nene webo. Uwawe ede awawe gbe wawe the ticket twice a year. Calculate that money. We are igoni every year. Ni when I save igoni. Una save one place. In the next 5 years, you can take your wife, your children, go to any island and enjoy yourself like a rich man. Oh, I do any Nigeria. A country of Barebo Agbonano Ajo no spend more than when my husband in Nigeria. You spend here when you go to Nigeria, but we are the country of it, ban. You won't spend that money. Sometimes tickets, 1 week hotel and ticket and everything. But so me €2,000 with your family. With your family, who are you enjoy? But €2,000 ni a ticket are a can I add? Am I including you where no way are in Nigeria? I'm out to Adam hotel by. At the end of the day, you spend nothing less than 4, 5, 6 to 7,000 euro. No, I have a family where you are. What's the point? I mean, outside, most of these women have been 20 years, 30 years, or majowa that the passport yore even win now. But the man fly up and down. You can't even. Sorry, jo. Ije no yajo. Aweri ma represent him. My dear, because we are era. You will know the right thing to do. You will know the right thing.
Listen.
You know your dad. Elder for
that is it. Only one way gbeme. Also, mete book wo day. Bini so
Lisa is very correct.
Ne monitor. I monitor that former. Mami even me come wenana. Osie, wa mi okpa no me leche manana me of Africa supermarket. O biya iya wo ko no nya go to Africa supermarket in every maya tie boy we na e. Naga iwe ebina all you no gather no the Africa supermarket ni my yana ya demi better that for any obavi bi o ta nwinu gbo mo ya okay ke ira na so ajowa owo da fiye o be gbegwe no ko be gbegwe owo da for me ri wa o do me henu amure do me henu muri wa mu ko wa de o be gbegwe nu ya demi ona me contact that doge okay kegire oda fana ajogwa do you know where obemo ko pariya we gba gbe no very Padova no vejogwa iya gbe be Turkey o ko di mama gbe no bi are we pa obe atame no ko we I will not sure I will go out next week. Okwodi amegbere le honi odi bani we amegbe. Owo kai mai no nya Africa supermarket in your mave. Ria oye ni wa buma wona last story whatever wona. O mave bet okwodi no re Padova amegbene. No yari wa. No bia wa o wa time o kai oni I'm sure say I will go out next tomorrow. I get some load who I want to go carry come for Nigeria. Oh, okay. The woman wa do gbene mi, ave pe barrier, ave we no know why gbene no da fan we muri. because where ni make la make. Do you know where? Oh, Wally, that 2 weeks near I have idea near the idea European. Oh, Wally, a year in the ho. When Nigeria ran away, or the Mekone. Oh, you Mekone and okay. Oh, Wally gave Piano Beer Europe, the part of her. And okay, I needed the father of the child. I had a mere where. Ona da aye for tie no bia bo so wane ona tie awo kan no jeni na do mu
abokia o se o so o se
oya do mu e ko ni nu ya yin bi pe so ya we ko so no be na we be so to be gbo da fun e owo to ge ohun oya do mu we owa mu owo ni I don't deliver at the hospital the doctor they look for you abeg. Which time you take on? I've been at tomorrow morning, I've been at next tomorrow you take on. Me I tell them. If for no honey. Again, there ya sigma why will la diando. If I don't know the mere where another no. Ona vamo. We had to need women on vamo. At the end of the day, and the nagu guana. O honegire, Yanegire Kinoa, or honey. Even one with Tavan, even Taman now. See them up there. Who cares about baby? Because why? 10 years in baby. He just school, who cares about? He cares about what to vision, maybe only. No, by a yaki. Well, who went on a mopia? Where I will wear when we were no mopia, I will wear that no pony myself by Balcoton. Where I take but body. I will wear. If you are only if you're bossy, I will not go again. No, I will stand. Nobody can fight with me. Because why? I will wait. A real no pony. And I don't wait them not choosing. Oh, hey, I walk on my Africa supermarket. Only no red. No red only would do. Only the Lenana. Or back my boy. Or so now you told you. Oh, see, if we saw while according to the Babaju Kevita, Nebaje Bomudiane Jebo.
Okay, Baba.
The topic of it. You might work all this women. Let us work on them for some time.
Yeah. Why do I get Babaju Kevita Nepa? We're no cool. I'm not for Commander Hove. Oh, here. Oh, here, that phone here. And before you take everything, Yakara, no beer. Hara wenine. No salo boya we no go doya we ni no tenya no bia okay to no get dictate bia ni o ge no discover bia ni every time money o ka discover no abia iku I don't know what will be the last o da gbe iman o ka bia ni o go kian no kian ogu egun e won wa gbepo we you go ani mi pa wa log iku so we webo. Oh, where he was pay go what I asked to Copiana. He go what he pay obviously you. Oh, where woony. Oh, where what money? What like a track in it? I said, I was dead. I'm not delivering the word. Who is he? We no for we what money. Where are you? Una am Biani. A character Biano was studying. A little Biani was studying. Before, okay, I see why. We will Danny was a who will not yet. Damn, no tamawe. We are to your dog gele maunwe. Dog gele mwese. There, my go why. That is it. What I mean, Beso, what of Agmona, or why Spino Kobo, only away and what a meal. Oh, Pianoa be cool, no, could you why below away of Papa, who may have felt baby way better. I don't know what you want either of your bed, didn't it? I don't know what he bred, no, those visitors, and I don't know what is it. I don't know mopowa. I don't know Polo. I have a pity and a row a club why I don't know have any worry. Oh, when I want to continue that movement in it. Okay, if never may Babajuke what a neighbor, what if why we tisan why we bar, why I murder, why we murder the button, why give my Louis that they be moving on. Why else you?
Pardon, Before mommy will bring another topic come because I don't say mommy know the dinner to pack file come. But before mommy will bring file come, ma just use 1 minute stay digest on this very same matter because if let some people not understand. Not be like say we will talk so some of us men we get woman for his house. And not people say because you are way I did fit for us now. When people say no problem. But I will still give some insight. Sometimes the reason why we men choose to deal with some women now because of their intelligence. Let me tell you the truth, my dear women. There are some ways where we say you go dey mumurish, your husband go dey fall out of love, fall out of affection for you. As in your brain, the girl your brain go stuck reach, your husband, you know, go get option than to go outside. Now then you come to some men you say not be fault. That not be my fault too. I want to open a small for some women. Sometimes when I see this our manhood too, our thing will carry. Sometimes you know they carry.
Yeah, so why ya will be the bawa a bizobo. Baba you can try to before 30 minutes in Yasowa, Baba you can try it over.
Yeah, I did.
I will say,
okay. So as I was saying, I said what controls this our manhood sometimes. You know, I mean, Bolaki mana, you know, control so ona igbera so ayiri owo na na iri egbe area we mama control even mamuhia.
Thank you.
Your level of intelligence sometimes controls our erection. Some women will say my husband my hand lo kegbe egbe kagbo we push and start or give way kind thing. Let me give some women some reasons why your husband is not performing well sometimes.
Okay.
I know say this thing go dey very funny, go dey somehow. The level of your stupidness for house can kill the erection of your husband. This one, many women never hear them. Yeah, many women never hear them. The level of your stupidness for house can kill the erection your husband have. Because this our erection, so it starts with brain. From brain, you can't use eye. From eye, you can't use feeling. Not even feeling be the first. Now from brain, how do you do it? When we say you are given a task as a mother or as a wife in the house, you are not lifting up with the responsibility of being the wife or the mother. The man go begin lose erection for you. He go there as with you. That's why you hear and say some men, they also say so a man can be married for 30 years, but he has left 29 years ago. It is true.
Yeah.
A man can be married with you for 50 years. He has left you 49 years ago. That's why I'm going to make no sense. The man, when call the kick and start, bola go dey shake. You go say, only what happen? You go say, no, now tomorrow of work. Now lie. Your stupidity they affect this man. This man don't want to tell you. How you tell they stupid? Sometimes your neatness in the house should be very, 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 very correct. When I say correct, you get my point. Then sometimes the way you handle your family affairs, sometimes we the men they from corner they look on and they make up. Yes. Somebody should meet, please. See, sometimes if women are making call because women with the European, I know say they no go break on no corner family. Do you know that sometimes we will be the men and sometimes we they from window they patch. Not be say we they dropped on our call, but we want to know how the level of your intelligence is there. Sometimes women they do them, we will be men. We will car will look at her. Let me say I don't want to tell you all this matter. Those things they make the man they get high erection for a woman. Once you start say the woman don't carry better decision, you don't hold them. Maybe some kind of family member does the kind of thing. He stands strong like Davido stand tall. Not worry, not disturb yourself. That bola as you walk up past you don't stand because the man is happy that wow, I have a woman. I have not only a woman with the work. Your brain should be working. Are you getting my point? Let me sometimes we will be men. We know the too much. They not be affection be our problem. Once you don't marry woman, no. The first time when I go Nigeria, I thought I not go Nigeria again. My wife asked me why. Oh, mama, go meet today. I tell my wife, say no. Imagine going Nigeria. Imagine you allow. But I say 10 years. Oh, we must know. But my mates they go. Nigeria. Go me go see him. As me then I get the way woman to tell me say, bros, go money for WhatsApp. Once you two greet me, when I know say my wife when they greet me the money, I'll block you. You can't be greeting me excessively when I know my woman he get to the day for his ass. Some women are going some men go to abort some women because of respect. When go about 12, maybe not only to do kind of respect for his ass. You can't see woman with you say palamugu, a palavisan. Every morning go they greet you. You could just say your wife na mumu. But so women, please let our brain be working fast. Let's control. Not go control wrong person. No, like you be like police control for road now.
About UK, hey, Mamudane, a topic now I'm going there because I wanted to see nowhere is talking here because it's a day Sunday they have a topic now me. I'm very by 4 o'clock when I actually winner. So it me wagele over where a laugh in ma feel ma equa yeah. They don't care that do Jesus is Lord. Tori, where am I gonna have now? Listen, you know how could it? So you
ask any question, you not worry.
Yeah, what's it? So now, but this topic goes like this, please. This is the second topic. I want you guys to say your mind, please, without fear or favor. You know me say where me day now day no. I feel day Z now day A. I don't know. It go like this. The same husband and wife issue. This lady. It's like, okay, that's on Sunday, we talked about this thing. This very woman feeling so close, this very topic, so. Now I made the two of the connect to Ross, say, see you, what did they happen? Is it good for a woman to be doing something where your husband don't know? Now we talk about on Sunday. That matter alone, Saturday, Sunday, now we discuss her. This one come reach out to me and say, Sister Sinyo, he say, he buy things, property, without her husband knowing it. Any English man speak, if you not enter lady of wealth, way, away. I know it's a mistake, Jesus is Lord. So he said he buy property for Nigeria without his husband not know. He comes out for his brother care. Then a guana near or tiye salary or salary so here or here so never or turn around. And ye have man when of you we are tag me. Yeah, you have me. We go cut. Yeah, use PG. If this English not enter now, awful praise, nice speaker. Hey, this woman, their husband has for Obodo here for this Europe. She don't let her husband know, say she buy some land and some properties. Okay? She don't let her husband know. Best know to her. Now, anyway, this one has now one day. Now, the brother. The woman brother go sell the woman land, about 2-3 of her land. The woman say, via a bottom of me, give me my property. The man say, oh, if you make fear, I'll go tell your husband. This woman say, if your husband mistakenly hear the marriage here, in how way is able. So the question now is to the house, please. If a man will say it to your own best understanding, woman will say to your own best understanding. If one they talk, the other one go mute. It not me say no answer question. If you talk finish, before that person talk, if you ask a question, you ask a question. Okay? But let it go on first. Can I answer this? Baby Young, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, man. Good afternoon, everybody that is here. So please, one after the other.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Waya wabava wakada kada.
Madam, sir.
This is a very it's not a tricky one, yeah. When even second abeta does not mean where
I don't know about my opinion, where no.
VK Nigeria.
This platform that attend insult to this platform. I tell you, make more here.
More than listening, especially the ones who don't get married. Though I beg more than listening. Okay, when I come from Nigeria, yeah, I have a family friend. Okay, on your say, when you get married, I keep telling people, when you want to get married because you want to get married. It's an institution whereby you will never graduate from. You learn every day. So when there is no compromise, there is no love, and there is no understanding, that marriage is as dead as anything. So I implore everybody to please, when you are going into the institute called marriage, yeah, please try to know what you are going in there for. And also, when there is a competition among spouse, now waiting the lead to be this. And I will tell you how. A man so raw, some people did when he marry. When they go marry, because the man already get 1 or 2 properties, and they feel say the woman not get. Before the woman go talk, always you know the shame. You will not get anything from Nigeria. Right? Now, so it's still there for the woman's side and all of that. Some women, they, before anything, you don't yab your wife for house. Not be all women where they marriage, now they enjoy the marriage when they do. Not be all men where see they marriage, now they enjoy the marriage when they do. Before a woman go come go do something when the husband don't know. You understand? Something. And another thing you say, it be so very raw. Some men they when be say you go tell them say you get 1 naira. If that 1 naira never finish, you not go get peace. You understand? And at the end of the day, maybe sorry, and at the end of the day, the thing where you want to do
everyone,
the thing will come become can I go on? Yeah, the thing will come become what's it called? A problem. A marriage that there is no trust, that there is no love, argue hide and seek in Negbe and all of that. It's very, very, very difficult. That marriage was not built under the foundation of love, trust, and togetherness. I don't see any reason whereby a woman who you claim to love this person, you've been under the same canopy with this person, and at the end of the day, you now decided to entrust all your wealth or your properties into the hands of your brother. If I be that man, then he marry you, a salary me and everything, I dey put her down to my wife because I believe after my wife, she's the next person. She's the next person in command. Udoya Abowa, and at the end of the day, your brother can't carry the house. Anything when you see, you take him like that. You understand? And at the end of the day, I will tell you, say, make you go marry your brother. Because if you really love me as a man, and if I have been open to you, unless when it cut about, not be all marriage be marriage, not be everything when you see. Some people, they are living in a what's it called? In a place whereby they don't even know where they belong. They don't even know their position for that marriage. So now waiting can they make the woman maybe girlfriend so the woman go don't think and say, tomorrow I don't know where I belong. Let me put my trust in my brother and all of that. It cause this one. But if you are that man, you understand? If you are that man that is very, very correct with your wife, that is very, very upright to your wife, that is very, very trustworthy to your wife, especially when it comes to finance and property, and your wife go ahead to do something as such, trust me, there was never love. If she was just doing hide and seek with you, that marriage was built out of competition. If you want married person and you can't go the married person where be she did in competition with her mates, or my boy although marry although say you can't leave the one work for you. Now you go pay house rent, pay bill, pay this one. The woman not get anything when she they do. Any money when she gets more, she can't believe say she can't go to hide the builders for you. My brother run. Because when a woman like that have more than that, she go still do you more than that one. So at the end of the day, it all depends. It all depends. It be so raw. That thing they drive that woman to come say, okay, make I still get my own. Maybe this woman feel say I the best way not get. Like the one when they talk, they come just. The one when sorry, sir, I'm taking enough time. The one when they talk come just now. When I come from Nigeria, I have a family friend who every little time the man go use and laugh and say, you know the shame, you know the this, you will not build that when you did get, you will not do this one, you know will not do that one. At the end of the day, this woman was just doing 3 hours. 3 hours. This woman can't gather that 3 hours money. He can't use it until buy one apartment. You know those apartments that they buy for Lagos, where you go get flat 1, the other person go get flat 2, but it's not the same building. He can't buy one apartment for there from your own sister. He can't furniture everything. Say you want to surprise your husband. Since that thing where you they laugh me, people say I not fit do. I want to do and make I tell you say I be real woman. Because at the end when she can't do that is sister now. Bring paper of house. It can't turn problem. As me and you they talk now, that matter now. Money house when you buy for more than 20-something million naira, it don't turn his sister and that's his husband own. The woman furniture man everything. So sometimes man, where they listen, uncle when they you might be thinking say you they advise your wife or you they laugh your wife because doing will come the affect you now tomorrow. So let's be wise. That is why I said it depends.
I got it to another one. Sister Ugo and go to Bogia. Daddy, Welcome, sir. Daddy Shaggy. Good afternoon, sir. I just greeted two people. One man, sir.
I go, even 10 minutes.
Okay, Jay. Jay.
Abowa.
Okay, Jay.
Welcome.
Okay, Papa, thank you. So this topic we will carry out one by one. Okay? Papa, UK, we ask after Daddy go on a bar. Or not to come
yeah, ma, follow up.
In case of the people that is just coming, if you know you don't understand the topic, I can still repeat it. Yeah. Awful praise, we have prayer now. Why the time you say repeat it again? Hey, repeat it making away. Are you still doing the prayer or you are sleeping? Hey, I am Mozebo, no Zebo, not be me. And Dodger. Can I repeat it again? Good. Oh, one and this very lady with your husband, they marry. English now your mate. You want to tell me? So they married this woman got party for Nigeria. In case of the people that just come in. Yeah. But why do you hear the brother and attack him? He speak for himself. Where is the opinion? And in this platform, we don't attack anybody with your opinion. We can ask you questions due to your opinion. But insulting we have respect. So this lady buy property from Nigeria with his brother. Say, okay, no, now they be. But her husband no, or her husband no. Her husband or her husband. Her husband no. I don't know correct to say her husband. So at the end of the day now, he not tell the organ get her say in property. Now, he don't about say, viebe or to parti so need de viome her husband. Okay, matter about. Oh, Jesus, you ba college. Yeah, mama, me te ba ajo. Yeah, mama. Hey, mama, me share the building. You know, get call you like this. So now, this lady now, brother say, give me my party. The brother say, you know, Rugmai. And the brother already sell some of the land. The brother say, if you talk about this party again, blessing on the. He go call your husband, tell your husband, say, who dem party, umagi ehen. This will be friend now in your brother. And he said, if your husband know, or that thing you home for a marriage garia. Well, okay, we are the without my knowledge. So that is the topic at hand. So, by UK, continue. Super Mama, what the last? What was your mom? Mama.
Wabava once again.
I don't know, Baba.
Welcome to the second episode of the day. My friend laugh.
I don't know the first one.
Right, this one guy said they will go. Mama will go tear them. Mama will go scatter them. No worry, we go scatter them. We don't fear. We go scatter them. Open to listen. We listen, we don't judge.
Yes.
You get. So let me start by this. That matter the very, very guy today, very, very somehow.
But now,
yes, Mama. Now we want to start. So, bros, just talk. Bros, Baba Young, yeah. I respect you for what you said. Yeah, you said so a lot of things. You make big points. You get. Only say you don't come, you don't blame one person.
Yes,
Baba Young not blame.
Yes, I don't
Baba Young, yeah. Baba Young not blame one person, but me want blame only. I want blame one particular person.
Okay.
You get, yeah. Baba Young say very good thing, but you know, get mad to blame one person, but me want blame one person for the other two.
Okay.
You get. So women will come up they'll tell you say that they find God-fearing men when they want to marry. Now me they talk and say, then woman will talk that too. Say they find God-fearing man when they want to marry. You know they find God-fearing man. They find mumu man. Yes. Now, woman will talk at a woman they find. Why I talk this thing? First of all, you want to settle down as a woman. You know the meaning of husband, or you know the meaning of groom's bride. I bet you the Bible. I be read for that books. Groom's bride. I be bride's groom. No husband. Husband and wife with all. And I will groom and bridegroom. I be here in the church.
I saw bride and the bridegroom.
Bride and the bridegroom, the bride na wife, then the bridegroom na husband. Abi, if you check Oxford Dictionary, the meaning of bridegroom na person wey dey train person we go train you for particular events, or we go train you, or we go educate you or something. Now be no bridegroom. You go marry man. First of all, you marry man wey be say wey you know say you cannot even entrust anything to. That one a failure on the woman part. Are you getting it? You can't go do business now. The business don't fall, you don't fail. Your brother now is trying to take your property from you, and she said that if the husband here, he go vex. Then that means the man is an intelligent man already in the background. Meaning say the woman do that thing out of her own detriment. Because if you say the husband go yes, say the husband go vex, then the husband is very, very vital and very, very functional in the house. Are you getting it? Then now the woman now can't go do business already. She don't feed the business. Now your brother want to take the property from me. And if I be the husband, I will tell her, say, open your brother. Mona too. Mona do na business. Or I can't hear ya. If you let me sell all of them. If I if I not go even vex. Are you getting it? Yes, mama. Not my family member. Now family member Nabi. He trusts his brother already over me. For my present, they go say everything. First, I go give you brother a buyer. I go give you brother a buyer. We go buy everything. Next time she go get sense. This one can't lead me to some women will be say, "Una dey marry rubbish, you are marrying rubbish." Man, the house. You know, if you tell man what you want, do you not even get the courage? One of my friends come my house one day and his wife come house. The husband they tell me this same thing. He tell me so. They tell me say my wife they beat her for Nigeria. You know they tell me now his brothers now they help around the business. Now as the woman say why? He say his husband decision you don't believe him. I say you don't believe your husband decision. So that kind of women they do like that. So that they say some women they say don't get husband for the house. Now let to knock to bring children come out. Now they know. They don't know say this man get other functions of husband. They don't know say this man a teacher. They don't know say this man a educator. They don't know say this man a instructor. They don't know. Now just this knack and bring children come. Now many women know. And it's high time women stop this crap. Are you getting it? It's high time you guys start thinking what is husband before we enter inside. Let's forget the feminism right now. This woman mess up and she mess up big time. If you are picking a man, you should pick a man that's like a father.
Baba, now make an hour inside. Not an American not end there, but now this also be God bless you. Now go get because if not, that's why I go have you ever win the topic and then I ask the topic in Alabama because all that are happening with a band shot. It's a good. Baba UK, if you are the man, if you are the husband of this lady, if you hear this thing, will you forgive just in the ways? Will you forgive her? Or you send her packing? Because of where or the property no matter where. And
I will not send her packing, but I will never forgive her. Yes. Okay. Mommy, that's a very tricky. Yes. She will not leave my house. Yeah, because if she get that kind of money to do that kind of party, do the many business, meaning say she gets something intact, but I will not forgive her. She will remain in my house. That will be one of her punishments.
But I'm waiting in that case.
Mommy, I will allow her. Her punishment is to remain in my house. Mommy, me I talk that thing. I give her.
Okay. My people, my family, I be no verse. Me I no verse so. You know say, yeah boy, be like, yeah, do it this afternoon. More go meet daddy for down. Women, we they come. More allow this man take it. Should I say they should take their words first before we come for them? Okay? Daddy, Shaggy. If I don't pronounce your name, no vessel, eh, more than na, eh, bona, let me make up no.
The only thing I will say is good afternoon.
Not a good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. If the both of them actually love themselves, I don't think such thing will happen.
Okay.
Let me know you from women now. Most of the men also, let's start from men. Also, yeah. If there's so wrong, you know, book, in book, on secret, Okoni guy, it's not a bad thing. If a woman builds his house out of wedlock, when you're in a relationship, a bad thing, it's a good thing.
Oh, Daddy, I didn't understand the topic. The woman and the man, they are both married. They are together.
Yeah.
And the woman or the labor party in Nigeria without the foreign man graduate. Don't even attack that person. Understand that day. So the woman,
Yeah.
just to your own mind, don't listen to Baba UK and Baba Yongo, your own opinion, please, sir. Because our wife,
Yeah.
our fine, because the woman feel that we are very shout to me. Our wife in Osumune, you know, men, some of them are quiet in nature. Doesn't mean that they don't know what is going on. So that you talk your own. Okay, Baba.
But before she started building that house, but we don't know what actually happened.
Okay.
We don't know what actually happened.
But what all was
Because a 50-50 no. A 50-50 no. I only woman best of the radio. It's 50-50. Best of the young was secretly upon even it's so much in the life. I mean, they come to say, I heard bad thing for you want to build the house secretly. Yeah, I heard bad thing. It's a good thing. That's why some women have to work for themselves. You don't have to depend on the man. If you marry, work for yourself as a woman. I will end it there.
Baba, I'll tell you now. And that's what you want. Yeah, go on. I'll tell you here, people, tell you now. But yeah, threatening everywhere. If you talk again, I'll go to your husband say you don't patrol your husband. No. How you want to react to that one, Daddy?
I don't know to react to. Even the young what young to be answered to Nani. I will not affair. It affair. This one, yeah.
Hello, Mama.
Now the young, you want a question?
No, even not tiny, marriage, one thing you need to understand, my brothers and my sisters, marriage is for better, for worse. Or mommy, where or man make a mistake, either what the agboman waiting the correct woman. He may make a mistake. Yeah, where I see a den as you own. You might understand it. As far as my work only more and all of that, you understand? Anything here punish you and all of that. Or you even punish. It's because not you any matter where you have to report him. That means there is something or can time or two any no or two any do I feel where you so in order because we are family. You understand? I believe whatever problem me and my wife have, we should be able to resolve it. And again, very soon, and I said it before and I'm repeating again. There should be something that I have done that prompted that woman to go and act that way. Maybe when you argue and all of that. So in other words, or turning off you when maybe me up or working me for any, we will make sure when we collect that property. You guys do and we collect that property from that brother. Then you those code of where ubege ubege not those sin and next time be learn from this and always let me know your husband. We apologize so that we can move forward in order for we not to make that same mistake again. Thank you.
What's it about?
I beg. Because I actually got for I get question for Baba Young. Because I actually talk on conversation just now. You get so he come up say different things. So I want to ask her something. You get I beg Baba Young, if you listen to me, I want to ask him when I talk to her say I will never forgive her, but I will not let her to leave my marriage. Do you think maybe now I do wrong? You come to me say whether if I not feel forgive her, make her leave her, make she go. Bro, smart tell you one thing, eh? That's what she do so, she not offend my feelings in any way. Let me be sincere. What she did, is not offending to any love aspect. I know what they make they look somehow. Maybe that's not gender based on no. You not get it because no man asked maybe my wife your committee Mr. I surprised you and I did this business and it worked. Now good thing for me. Maybe surprise. Only I invested in this real estate, whatever, and it works for me. I will say my wife, wow, brava. I will tell her come in, I'll give her a hug. It's a good thing that she's striving for herself to want to surprise me and tell me, honey, you have taught me well. Now I am going to the world and multiply. Are you getting it? So it's a very good thing. But especially in our family business, now say now brother she can't do one with. I not get anything to do with their family matter. Because you know why? I'm there to marry. As far as saying my brother do that thing so from heaven to earth, I will not say anything in that matter.
Sir,
As far as his brother.
Papa UK, excuse me, with all due respect, as far as she is your wife, automatically she's not part of you.
Are you bigger than the family that she came from?
Hold on, bros. And you said it does not have anything to do with love. What is love when there is no forgiveness? Please, can you define love for me? Do you know what is love? It takes a whole lot to.
I said what she did. What she did not affect my feelings.
Bros.
No.
Anyway, sir.
It did not. Like,
no, I respect
like Brashagi said. Brashagi said something. Brashagi said something. And I say, it not really. Let's be sincere. Now, men will be. No. If you are married, you understand what I'm saying. She not really offend the marriage aspect of anything.
At all. You are right.
She did not do it. She was trying to the same way the intelligence that way you give her since then. Now she want prove out. Maybe secretly, if you believe say the man not the laugh the woman. Because you are making the matter seem as if that there was a laughing matter before the woman did that thing.
Opinion.
Mommy, sometimes opinion. Let's sometimes they say freedom of speech they allow, but your freedom after your speech is not guaranteed. Yes, mommy, are you getting it? Freedom of speech now free thing, but after your speech, your freedom is not guaranteed. Are you getting it? Yeah, that side. At least two men that go against that side. Now, I mean, say, as a man, we are winning.
Now, the three of you are still on the same track.
No. Me and Shaggy did the same side.
Wait. Let me tell you something. Epa upstairs say, "In a man affected marriage. Well, what man affected marriage?
No, boss for up say he have said say as he wrong. The woman do something wrong, say now because the man laugh him or want to happen."
I said the possibility, you have to look at it from different angles. And I can say, however, if it happen like that, as long as say we don't do other one canopy, because whether you like it or not, that is our sweat and everything. And I know how much she has put in to do that. So at the end of that, before that, I will first of all safeguard my wife. You understand?
Okay, but Baba Young, what she did, is it wrong to you? Let's also say offend her before she go do that thing. Is the thing wrong that she did to you as the man?
My brother,
is it wrong?
I want to say another, but if you were listening to me, listening to understand, there are possibilities. Before I can accuse Oma.
Bros, I'm asking you direct. It's not a possibility. I ask you.
Wait. It's a question now. Wait. Daddy Young. Wait. Because you might go Daddy Young. The question is this: where, for example, you know, if you want to understand in a topic like this, if you speak, somebody can ask you a question through your speaking. Okay? We're what in the phone. It's okay, Papa. Yeah, Glash. Vateno. At the end of the day, he's asking you now, for example, now you be the husband of this woman. For example, Papa. Put yourself in the shoe of this husband. Say, you not laugh and you not mock. You not judge. You not umaya giu. Ayewe. Ehuwe mo yari huwa. Ayi wa mo hotel. Umawe ni ropa. Everything you do. Hey, Saloba. Everything you do, you open up to your woman. They're not supposed to know she. And she went ahead to do this thing. Is she wrong or no?
Or wrong. In a way, ra. It be so we raw. We not understand. But
I know you talk. Because I know you talk. We don't understand. He wrong.
Yes, he say wrong.
Then we say he not wrong. Meaning say we are two men in one side already.
He wrong.
Yeah, yes, she said the woman do wrong, Abi.
If the man.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then me now, Ambrashagi now says that she did not do any wrong.
No. Okay, wait. Okay, you're pointing. Let women continue. You are still coming back, okay? Mommy Sophia. Hello.
Angie.
Mommy call.
Angie, wabeba o.
Will you start now? Put yourself in that position. Not woman supporting woman. Then the truth.
Well.
Be truthful.
Okay.
Is there a nice thing where only ya del property in Nigeria? I think I'm surprised that for her in the band of one concern surprisingly. Whatever she was planning to do with those property, she bought it and she put it on her husband and her own brother Kel. Now the brother sold already 2 plots of land already. Remaining those things. The woman said, no, give me the rest paper make concerning those things. The brother said, if you may fear again, I'll go tell your husband, Mama, please add me up. Okay, I thought maybe it's a mistake because some people that will send requests, you can't come and say a mistake. So, Mommy,
okay. First and foremost, ave every man iguan wa wese wa hani iguan no ma de yoru we number 1 wo orok ona we mi le without tomata moda fun but okay ya we mi le o mata moda fun depend of the background the veni aje wo wa veni marriage ji e wo wa marriage ya be we bona or a marriage any bu waro ke kan we nagba waro we imam ekele eji eso haru we marriage because of document eso haru we marriage because we eji me hiane I oni bie I haru we everio eso e love you we so okbia wo ku oke do aro verio na amue ekpe ole negbe oke yawo everio unwe go me no kbia ni we okwe obe de go kbia ni newe okbia ni ome ove no ni ebe awo gien o ya awo ge but orido de neverio ona ga ime ona de neverio no teme aya threatening me we ivie benue ya tamodafon iri we mo biani ma we mo biani iya fi gwo yo akara iya yin no gume gbin na no ga igbin nene ezi ma bo e de gbesun wo wa do sun wo wa ya yin no forgive me no gume mi oteme beni be wa ni we ya ni merci a no teme no ma we ya tamot oda for me ni yeke ya tamoda for me mi atobi me ya tama yeke se ba
merci Mommy was good. Okay.
Hello, Mama.
Okay.
It's all wow. No digba.
Okay, my tour.
Above here.
Bros young guitar keke be sister mommy taba. Hello. Keke mommy taba the mommy water ban. Oga me no here because until now in a form of impersonation. Because until I explain me my okay as a brother my way back one Tori. Then although you say against the woman, a boy a quack by a vacate by a cat by a vacate ladan. You had to use it against the or I men no. Here we wrong in it. I will accept that I'm wrong. I will go and meet my husband and beg him. Even say for my forgiving, I will even if you cannot for so far I tell you for my mind to be clear. Even though I'm not forgive, but no, you make it not clear. They don't have to believe in no bina. Ni make it boy, it do more, don't do a low here for that to stop. So, opinion me, nothing. Why you with?
What's it, mommy? What's it? Mommy, who was?
Okay. Dorish Matonabi.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Everybody, I greet everybody. Wadomo. Ave baba no kwa ni Raven the be ave mommy siven. I do well for everything. So the thing when me want to talk, put my own opinion is that the woman do already wrong, as our sister told just now. She already wrong. Her conscience already the judge her. Even the brother now they threaten her. They say because the brother know everything. Because the woman already explained to the brother say he not tell your husband. You understand me? So that one now the threat don't dey there. The brother now they threaten and say he go tell make your husband know. You understand? Because of say, you don't they want the document, the paper, and everything. So I can never be in the shoe of that woman. One, but if it happens to be like that, because nobody is perfect. If it happens to be like that, say it can't happen like that. I'll tell my husband before my brother go tell him. I'll tell my husband and I will apologize to him for even doing it at all for a back. I'll say, I don't mind. I'll say, Daddy, I've been wanting to surprise you. But now, my brother, they threaten me, say, no one give me document of my property. You understand? If my husband want follow me fight my brother, he go do one just for me to be happy. But I'll tell him, say, it can never happen next time. But I know say what I do, they very, very wrong. Because as my husband, now he are supposed to tell, say, see business what I want to do. You understand me? But I'll still put on the other hand, say, Daddy, I want you to surprise you. But now my brother, they threaten me. Say, he want to tell you. So it's better for me to run quick tell my husband. Yes, now. My husband now, he go feel my pay for me and help me to fight my property back. That property go still belongs to me and my husband. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama. Mommy success.
Okay. Wadamo.
What do you know?
So, la inika ne question bane yebo. Okuna la agree with question ya na okuna ka bia ne before ke mo da fon na o ka mo money.
Am dey question wane ye.
Okay. Because so that when good notana ugbe so okuna akeve boyen ugbe so okuna ni oga ka mo mo we ne wo no ma bia ne bia na bia ina ugbe so bia ne ka bia ame e mo we I have my have in Nigeria do one the most especially do one ye me uhu ibu eva metage weti wa tage maybe o mo we o egba no ko ndo wo ke na o mu yo we wa ti anywhere ah 6 or 2 years mu yo we ka won mo we and pe na ka we won mo we then wa order from we ku gbe ni o ke ga we kin aja oyi o keke u ga mo we nu yo to egbo ti marital ma go bo me wata o iwe idenive we ni bo no ga go viven ni ka bie yi ove kin order from me na ruda we order from me ka me e move ruda dena kwa me ni no de bie ni botie insurance o na ga bokpa and number 2 the second one egba no bia o ka we we mi ve le no ko ni ma understand Omana we aye very owe oku na we do wo ni tell when you surprise no o tie no bia na o we ni do ya threaten the mo ni no ku we na me we o tie me ya threaten me we ya ta mo da fun po me ne che da fun la da fun me la re o get gui if na ne che we ni we ni ya surprise we o se ni na ga we but get ne do ya dere get gui no la wo yo bo we ko vi o bo ba me na ya mi na mi o tie me na ya fe ite we ni we le ni ya surprise we. So opinion argument maybe me one king. Why agree?
I say you know give. Before Sister Esther, Mama Super Mama, later, there's Esther do later. Super Mama, you still there?
Moi,
Okay.
Edo we no manger et réagir. O ime me ato ime ya gwa. Me no ko imeje. You can't tell it look bien. O we mi egume. Then mia worry me mia ge eti sunu. What mama if it woman. Maybe both of them. Iye va okugbe. Ona worry. Am I only now? Some whole raw.
That where on our worry SCS or do finance. You understand? The 10 years the way if my husband official ebony west our a marriage for on the thing. So that means the husband may be played to the woman. If the husband is not played, there's no need of afraid. You don't give away the Sunday and continue to
okay. Because imagine the woman no keep her as a secret or any reason why. Maybe only when the mother